Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to solve the problem of the phone heating up while charging. It is a very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but to start explaining, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports me now. Let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. After that, go down. You will find about the phone. You may find it above. The important thing is to search for about the phone and click on it. After that, you click on the version number 7 times to activate the developer options. Click on the version number 7 times. After that, as you can see, we have activated the developer options. Now we go back. After that, we click on the system and updates. Here we will find the developer options have been added. If you do not find them here, it is okay. Go back, then go to the settings search engine and write developer options. When you write developer options, it will appear for you. Click on it, and here you will find the phone's temperature limit when charging. Activate this feature to be able to solve the problem of the phone heating up while charging. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited from it. For any inquiries or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.